So one of the problems playing X-Plane 11 with a Thrustmaster, Warthog, HOTAS is I very often need to use my right hand to control a mouse or something else, and the joystick is not really suitable to just use easily with your left hand. So I'd seen this Honeycomb Alpha flight yoke and switch panel mentioned a number of times, so I thought we would do a quick unboxing, and I've really just got this on the back of the couple of comments on the X-Plane forums, so I'm hoping it's going to be pretty good and obviously much easier to use with your with either hand. Okay, so there we go. Alpha flight controls, yoke and switch panel. Honeycomb Aeronautical, a 5-year warranty apparently. This was from Amazon. I did find a website where it appeared to be a little bit cheaper right up until the moment they added postage, and then it was about £2 more expensive. So we just got this from Amazon. Okay, let's have a look. So we've got some pictures of various components. Designed in California, no doubt made in China. 5-year warranty. Universal panel mounting system. Aerospace grade components. Made in China. Yeah, all looks good. Dual mounting solution. Let's have a look. First out we have some rubber bungs, obviously for filling holes up that might not be used, or maybe you're screwing things together. Instruction guide. We have a USB cable. We have a network type cable with a little coily piece. I'm not sure that was necessary. And then we have the mount. That has got one of those great big 3M type pads that's all gripped and pretty much anything, but doesn't leave any residue. And these are rubber pads as well. Looks like there's a few options here. Main units, and then we have some pretty hefty, get that box out of the way, pretty hefty clamps, metal clamps, little silicone pad on there, plastic knob, so yeah, pretty hefty. Okay, so let's get that out of the way. In fact, let's get all of this out of the way. So let's have a closer look. It's quite weighty. I think we'll get that on the scales. Let me just turn them on and see what that weighs. No doubt it's in the box somewhere. Well, that definitely needs gripping, you know, sort of sticking down. That is quite a stiff movement, centralizes 180 degrees of turn. Let me just spin that round a bit, get it off the edge of the bench. Very smooth. Yeah, very nice. So we've got some switches on each. On the left we've got a big switch. You can see that. There's a big white switch there. Another one on the top, a little hat, and then just two switches there. Other side, nothing on the front, strangely. We've got, I don't know, oh, there we go, there. Oh, okay, I didn't understand the operation. Now I'm trying to push them down. They're actually rocker switches. So yeah, that's how they operate. And then side ones, white switch, red switch. On the front, I don't know if you can see, yes, I think you can see that. We've got off, right, left, both, and start. Plastic, that feels quite good. And then we've got master, out, that, so alternator, battery, bus 1 avionics, bus 2 avionics, BCN, beacon, land, taxi, nav, strobe. That is the little port down there where that cable goes. Where does it go after that? Oh, I see, it goes, no, that's, yeah, okay, so what they've done is they've done the little cable from there into the back of the yoke there. I think I would have preferred a solution where the wiring went through the tube here, so you didn't get to see this. I wonder why that wasn't possible. It feels very nice. There's some sort of coating on the plastic, certainly the bit you handle. It's not rubberized as such, it's just a sort of matte, more grippy finish. It's all over, in fact. I hope that is not the same as my mouse, because that's worn off completely within about a year, so quite tempted to scratch my fingernail over it, but I don't really want to do that. It feels quite nice. There are, oh, nothing really. We've got the LED USB port on the back. That is for the clamps, no doubt. So you can see where it goes onto that big mount that we just looked at. Rubberized here and here. Don't know quite what that is, what they're for. I think it's all plastic. It seems quite well made, but it is all plastic on the outside as far as I can tell. I guess that's the honeycomb pattern. Whether it is a vent for anything, any heat generated inside. That seems quite nice. A little bit of movement up and down there on the shaft.